The great island of New Guinea harbors 42 species of birds of paradise, each more bizarre than the last, including the bluebird of paradise, never before filmed in the wild. The forest is so rich, it takes no time to find food. The male six-plumed bird of paradise has hours to kill. He spends it tidying up his dance floor. You missed a spot. Now he can perform. In a fierce competition for mates, the more bizarre the ballet, the better. Nice show, but no one's watching. To lure a mate, the superb bird of paradise just yells. Now, to impress her. It's like nothing else on earth. A cross between ballet and boogie. She's unimpressed. Who wouldn't feel deflated when even your best isn't good enough?